So in this video, I just want to show you that the receiver module no longer works in the flight stack. And what I have here is the USB connected to it. And I'm going to plug it in. I have Betaflight connected, so I'm going to connect this. So something's happened here as well. Now, again, due to the shorted motor, the flight control will connect to Betaflight no problem. But then we have that left drift problem that I demonstrated in the other video. So anyway, I just wanted to quickly show that, I removed everything from the helicopter troubleshooting it, from the quadricopter from troubleshooting it. And so I just wanted to quickly show the AIO and the receiver board, which seems now to have just conked out and until I figured out that it was a short on one of the motors. So anyway, don't know what other videos you need, but figured I'd show you this quick one.